Ready? Yeah.
Dear God. Ah, damn it, I got it out. Dear Lord, this is insane.
Oh God, fuck.
Ah, man, I can't move. Ah!
Quality, you need to move somewhere. I feel pump right now.
Damn it, I can't move. There's some guy over there.
Holy shit. Hey, you got to go, you got to aim off. You're everything about higher.
There.
Dear God.
Yeah, we're not gonna make it.
Oh, oh shit. Go, baby! Holy shit.
Like there's more over there. This isn't fun
Hey,
anymore.
wait, where are they?
This isn't fun anymore.
We got 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. This holy shit.
Oh my god, that was almost a headshot. Oh. Yeah, I'm in. There's a thing outside.
Okay, where are they at? Where are they at? I'll turn around.
Over here. One guy's over here. The other guy's over here.
I can't see the other guy.
Damn it.
Reloading. You're up.
Yep, I'm hit.
Holy shit. If they would have been real bullets, would have been dead.
Yeah, I know.
For sure. They're given.
They go through the bus.
Yeah.
How much time do we got?
We got a minute 30.
Oh god. Yeah, that's been sitting. Jesus Christ. Ah.
Alright, there's nobody on the left side.
Oh!
Which left? Oh shit. Where the sun is.
Which lab?
There's like one guy, but like I can shoot him down.
Oh, dude. A ricochet off county, like right here.
They keep shooting like right above me, I can feel it. Hey, we gotta put fire down. We gotta put fire down. Reloading.
Oh!
There you go. Oh, hit! Hit! Oh, we could have gotten out.
You got a good here. Okay.
Chris!
Oh,
I was already-
God.
I got him! Oh, that works.
I'm gonna stop.
Oh. Yeah, you got me in the arm. Shit's crazy.
I got all of you.